Hello everyone, welcome to Tokyo Tokimeki channel. I'm your navigator Satoshi. Today, we're going to explore how to travel Japan on a budget. Whether you're a student, a backpacker, or just looking to save some money, these tips will help you enjoy an affordable yet memorable adventure in Japan. Let's dive into our top 10 tips for budget travel in Japan. Many regions in Japan offer discount passes for tourists. For example, the JR Pass allows unlimited travel on JR trains for a fixed period. It's a great way to save money if you plan to travel long distances. Accommodation can be expensive, but staying in hostels or capsule hotels can save you a lot of money. They are clean, comfortable, and a great way to meet other travelers. Convenience stores in Japan like 7-Eleven, Lawson, and Family Mart offer a variety of affordable and delicious meals. You can find everything from sushi to sandwiches, making it a budget-friendly option. Japan has many free attractions, such as temples, parks, and festivals. Visiting these places can provide rich cultural experiences without costing a dime. Many restaurants in Japan offer lunch specials that are much cheaper than dinner. Enjoying a nice meal during lunchtime can help you save money while still enjoying delicious Japanese cuisine. Japan's public transportation system is efficient and affordable. Using trains, buses, and subways can help you get around without spending a lot of money on taxis or rental cars. Traveling during the off-season can save you a lot of money on flights and accommodation. Plus, you'll avoid the crowds and have a more relaxing experience. Supermarkets in Japan offer a wide variety of fresh and affordable food. Buying groceries and preparing your own meals can be a great way to save money. If you're on a long trip, using coin laundries can save you money on laundry services. They are convenient and widely available throughout Japan. Many cities and towns in Japan offer free cultural activities such as tea ceremonies, calligraphy classes, and festivals. Participating in these activities allows you to experience Japanese culture without spending a lot of money. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you plan an affordable and unforgettable trip to Japan. Remember, you don't need to spend a lot of money to enjoy the beauty and culture of this amazing country. On Tokyo Tokimeki channel, we aim to share the charm of Japan from a local's perspective. Please subscribe, like, comment, and let us know your requests. See you next time.